Did you know that in 2024, over 70% of new cars sold in the United States featured advanced driver assistance systems like lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control? This rapid adoption shows how quickly traditional driving habits are being replaced by cutting-edge technology. It's a thrilling sign of a future where driving becomes safer, smarter, and more automated than ever before. Welcome to Cartoons. As we kick off 2025, we're here to keep you ahead of the curve on car tech. It's important to know which car features are becoming outdated so you can make smarter choices when upgrading your ride. From electric vehicles to smart systems and even self-driving cars, staying in the know helps you avoid being stuck with yesterday's tech. Let's dive in and explore what's changing in the world of cars. Cars are evolving at breakneck speed. It feels like one day you're marveling at a self-driving Tesla, and the next, your car's cutting-edge tech looks about as modern as a flip phone. Manufacturers are cranking out electric vehicles and smart systems like they're the latest TikTok trend. Meanwhile, buyers are left wondering, will my car still feel cool in 5 years? Or will it be the automotive equivalent of cargo shorts? And let's not forget the older cars. Are they destined to be the vinyl records of the road, loved by purists but impractical for the mainstream? Here are some car features that are quickly going out of style. Traditional ignition systems. Regular car keys are being replaced by push-button starts and keyless entry systems. Convenient? Absolutely. But with great convenience comes great vulnerability. It's like leaving your front door open because you installed a fancy lock. Keyless systems can be hacked or exploited by thieves using signal amplifiers. So while you're busy bragging to your friends about your James Bond tech, don't forget to park in well-lit areas or invest in a steering wheel lock. Yes, those are still a thing. Stick shifts or manual transmissions. The demand for manual cars is dwindling, and it's not hard to see why. Most new drivers wouldn't know a clutch pedal if it hit them in the shin. Electric vehicles don't even have gearboxes, making manual transmissions about as relevant as a rotary phone. For car purists, this feels like losing an art form. For everyone else, it's just one less thing to learn. Let's be honest, how many of us really miss stalling out at a traffic light? Outdated infotainment systems. Older systems struggle to compete with modern setups that seamlessly integrate with smartphones and provide over-the-air updates. Drivers now expect easy access to maps, music, and voice commands without hassle. If your car lacks these features, it might feel like a relic from a bygone era. Manual handbrakes. The traditional manual handbrake is disappearing, replaced by electronic parking brakes in most new cars. These new systems offer more convenience and allow for additional features like auto hold. However, this change marks the end of a tactile driving component that many drivers once relied on. For newer drivers, it changes how they interact with vehicles, as they no longer need to learn the mechanics of a manual handbrake. One of the most significant changes is the disappearance of manual handbrakes. Once a staple in vehicles, they are now being replaced by electronic parking brakes in most modern models. Brands like Audi, BMW, and Volkswagen have embraced this trend, prioritizing convenience and integration with advanced systems like auto hold and hill assist. While these innovations offer ease of use, they also mark the end of a hands-on feature many drivers associated with control and tradition. Imagine a future where pulling a handbrake lever is a nostalgic memory replaced by the press of a button. This shift not only impacts car operation, but also how drivers connect with their vehicles. We've explored how some car features like ignition systems, manual transmissions, and manual handbrakes are becoming relics of the past. Replacing them are innovations like keyless entry systems, advanced automatic transmissions, and electronic parking brakes that offer greater convenience and compatibility with modern driving technologies. These changes highlight how fast the car industry is evolving. As technology advances, we all need to adapt to keep up with these exciting innovations. Whether you're a driver, a car enthusiast, or someone curious about the future, these trends are reshaping how we experience cars. What do you think about these changes? Are manual cars the vinyl records of the auto world, gone but cherished by enthusiasts? Or are they doomed to be forgotten like Blockbuster? Maybe there's an old school feature you'd love to see make a comeback. Share your hot takes in the comments below. And hey, hit that subscribe button and stick around for our next video where we dive into the coolest car tech that'll have you saying, wait, my car can do that?